with an area larger than the size of LA that just broke off of Antarctica. On September 26th, about 2 weeks ago, D28, as it was named, was 600 square miles with a weight of nearly 300 billion tons. It separated from the Emery Ice Shelf on the eastern side of the continent. So, what does this mean? Well, it was one of the largest breaks of ice the region has ever seen, and the data shows that the intervals between these large breaks has decreased rapidly with the past decade. With that said, what is causing these big breaks? Why are they happening more often? Well, most scientists agree that there is a snowball effect occurring on our planet today, primarily caused by the warming of oceans on a global scale. This warming has also been increasing more rapidly over the past decade, which is why these larger breaks are occurring more often than usual. The real question is whether the process is natural or has been initiated by humans. Unfortunately, while ice shedding events are mostly normal, the rate and volume that ice is melting in recent years has increased drastically and suggests that humans are likely the cause. The increased use of fossil fuels combined with the deforestation are increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, and it's above important equilibrium levels. This leads to ultimately warmer oceans, which is why more and more ice is breaking away from polar regions. So now that we know the causes, what are the effects of greater volumes of ice melting in the oceans? The most obvious result is rising sea levels, which have already had destructive effects on coastal ecosystems in Egypt and Bangladesh. In addition, warmer oceans have a harmful impact on the delicate balances of oceanic life formed. The result could be catastrophic disruptions in food chains around the world. With that said, the good news is that there are many scientists who still believe this snowball effect is preventable and at least partially reversible. That's why it is important for people, especially college students, to be aware of these events, because we likely can have the most impact in the near future to make informed preventative measures against harmful actions to our environment. Thank you.